Yo, what's up, gamers? Video game listen up, cause I've got something fire to show you today. Meet this sick low-poly champ that's gonna smash your expectations. This bad boy is built on Unreal Engine, and let me tell you, it's optimized like a mofo. We're talking about 48K triangles and 29K vertices that run smoother than butter. And guess what? It's got the epic skeleton so you know it's gonna move like a pro. The face has all 52 blend shapes supported by Apple ARKit, and it works with Live Link. You can modularly assemble this beast, swapping parts like it's nobody's business. Whether you're making a custom mod, a fan video, or want an awesome VTuber avatar, this character's got you covered. And let's not forget VR social networks. This guy's ready to dominate there too. So what are you waiting for? Grab this bad boy and let's make some epic content together.